Django TemplateDoesNotExist. My local machine is running Python 2.5 and links on Ubuntu 8.10, with Django builded from latest development trunk. For every URL I request, it throws TemplateDoesNotExist at /@name/path@name/template_name.html. Django tried loading these templates, in this order, using loader django.template.loaders.filesystem.function, using loader django.template.loaders.app_directories.function, template_des breaktime equals ones, greater than. Is it looking for? In this case. The weird thing is this file does existed on disk. Why can't Django locate it? I run the same application on a remote server with Python 2.6 on Ubuntu 9.04 without such problem. Other settings are the same. Is there anything misconfigured on my local machine, or what could possibly have caused such errors that I should look into? In my settings.py, I have specified it should be looking for the following files. Breaktime equals ones, greater than breaktime equals ones, greater than breaktime equals ones, greater than. All the above files exist on disk. Solved. It works now after I tried. It's strange. I don't need to do this on the remote server to make it work.
First solution. These settings mean that Django will look at the templates from templates/directory under your project. Assuming your Django project is located at /user/lib/python2.5/site packages/project name/ then with your settings Django will look for the templates under /user/lib/python2. So in that case we want to move our templates to be structured like this. Second solution. If that still doesn't work, and assuming that you have the apps configured in settings.py like this. By default Django will load the templates under templates/directory under every installed apps. So with your directory structure, we want to move our templates to be like this. Settings_path may not be defined by default. In which case, you will want to define it, in settings.py.
Find this tuple. You need to add to dirs the string. So altogether you need If you encounter this problem when you add an app from scratch, it is probably because that you missed some settings. 3 steps is needed when adding an app. 1. Create the directory and template file. Suppose you have a project named MySite and you want to add an app named your _app_name. Put your template file under my site /your_app_name/templates/your_app_name as following. To add your app to installed _apps. Modify settings.py. 3. Add your app directory to DoesNotExist. Modify settings.py. Add-os import.
In setting, py remove template_loaders and template does then add.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.